Are you tired of your hair looking like it's stuck in a time warp? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to discover the secret behind Rapunzel's luscious locks. That's right. We're talking about 8 incredible foods and ingredients that will make your hair grow longer, stronger, and healthier. And stick around for a mind-blowing fun fact that even your hairdresser probably doesn't know. Imagine this: you're walking through a dense, enchanted forest, and you stumble upon a mysterious, hidden garden. The plants and fruits here hold magical powers to make your hair grow like crazy. Well, you don't need to be in a fairy tale to experience this magic, because these superfoods are as real as it gets. First up, we have the enchanting rosemary oil. Massaging this aromatic oil into your scalp can boost blood circulation, providing your hair follicles with the nutrients they crave and promoting unstoppable hair growth. But wait, there's more! Spinach is like the Hulk of the hair world, thanks to its iron, vitamin A, and vitamin C content. This leafy green superhero will fight off hair loss and bring in the growth reinforcements. Now, let's dive into the ocean of hair growth possibilities with oysters. These slippery little wonders are packed with zinc, a mineral that's essential for hair growth and repair. Next, we have the humble yet magical sweet potato. The beta-carotene found in these delicious spuds is converted into vitamin A, which moisturizes your scalp and promotes hair growth. Ever heard of the phrase "an egg a day keeps the hair doctor away"? Well, maybe not, but it should be a thing. Eggs are a fantastic source of biotin, a vitamin that's essential for hair growth. And speaking of biotin, almonds are another great source, plus they're loaded with vitamin E that'll give you that lustrous shine. Time for a tropical twist. Avocado is like a hair growth smoothie, blending healthy fats and vitamins that'll nourish your scalp and promote hair growth. And finally, we have the powerful Greek yogurt. Its protein and vitamin D content help create strong, healthy hair follicles. Alright, it's time for that fun fact I promised. Did you know that the average person has about 100,000 hair follicles on their scalp? That's right. And each one of these follicles is just waiting to be fed these amazing hair growth foods and ingredients. So, next time you're planning your meals or hair care routine, remember to invite these 8 incredible foods and ingredients to the table. And before you know it, you'll be the one with the fairy tale-worthy locks.